What's up guys, how are you all? This is Ram and you're watching Infinity Explorer.
In today's video, I'm going to make a smoke grenade or a smoke bomb. Just like you see in PUBG game. The actual version is coming tomorrow. For now, you can take reference of this. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already and like this video. There are two recipes of making this. I will be sharing one method in this video and in tomorrow's video, I will be sharing another recipe. For this, you will need 60% of sugar or 60 grams of sugar, 40% of potassium nitrate or 40 grams of potassium nitrate. Mix it well.
A few moments later.
On a low flame, heat the pan and add in the mixture and stir it continuously until it gets a slurry consistency. I made these cardboard shells. Fill this mixture into the shells and let it dry for 24 hours. I added a wick too. You can make that wick. I'll drop the links in the description for that video.
The next day.
That's it, let's test it. Whoa, in emergency you can use these flares or you can make these just for fun. This is just a simple video. Meet you in the next one and then keep exploring infinity.